Friends, I don't think I'm interested in watching this anymore. I've been tolerant. Now, it started with this gentleman of the MKP, Shongwe, who pretends to be a township young man who is streetwise. He's not. He's just masquerading, and he was busy with gossip, saying to have a sister who is married to. I don't know what that is. What that had. What was that? Was it necessary to bring in gossip? And then the issue of race and umuntu omnyama, a black person, it's very patronizing Matala, saying that it's very difficult to see a black person pulling chains if these people, if he did nothing wrong, he must tell them so that they can deal with the people who actually abused Matlala. They will deal with nobody, they must deal with themselves. They are such And then Malema came in and then is pontificating about children and how it's not good for the children to be made to actually lie on the floor whilst the police, the officers were searching the house of Matlala. Again, political claptrap, you know. And Lekhanyane just said nothing. So my issue is, what is this ad hoc committee trying to do? And when this Shongwe was talking, nobody actually responded. The chairperson said nothing. He was busy talking about things in isiZulu, talking about things that have nothing to do with their probe there. And Malema now has started with his own political claptrap. Hey, it's hot. Let me go and read.